If the reason you click on this is to make money online, then you just click on the right video, because in this video, we'll be showing you how to make $4.82 every minute using your smartphone. Also, if you are a Nigerian, I will advise you focus on this video because I will love it if you earn in dollars and spend in naira. First of all, I want to introduce a website which we will be using to cash out and make cool and legit cash online. The website name is... Before we go straight to the Gramfree website, let's check what it's all about. What's Gramfree? Gramfree is a GPT website, a get-paid-to site, in which users are compensated with in-game currency as rewards for doing allotted tasks. Users receive grams, which then they can utilize further for cashing out, but that's not what we are here for you. All we are here for is to make money from this site. Sorry for wasting little of your time because I wanted to make you understand. Let's just get straight to the tutorial on how to create a Gramfree account and also earn from Gramfree.
Let's get started.
Go straight to your browser, but in this video, we will be using Chrome. Go to your Chrome. Click the link in the description of this video now so you can see the link to the site. Here is the dashboard to create an account. We will be using a Gmail account to sign into this website. Click on Continue with Google. You need to log in your email address. First, put your email or phone number on this empty board. Then input your email address. Make sure you are the only person that knows your email password. Here is the Gramfree dashboard. That means we just created a Gramfree account. Let's get straight to how to make money on this Gramfree of a thing. Oops. If you need how to make money on this website, subscribe to this my YouTube channel. Like this video. Comment, I want to make money double quotes. So I can know how many of you are willing to make money from this website. Thank you.